Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. In this video, we'll walk you through job order creation using a multi-level bill of materials. So let's get started. Let's first have a glimpse of the multiple level bill of material we already created. For the same, go to Item plus Process Raw Material Specs, Grid Mode. We have created a multi-level bill of materials for the selected item, with all semi-finished components and production stages clearly defined. The left panel displays the complete multi-BOM hierarchy in a tree structure, showing the finished item along with its semi-finished parts for better visibility of the production flow. As we enabled the multi-BOM option here, the main job order is automatically linked to all corresponding sub-job orders. This setup enables accurate material planning, seamless linkage across production levels, and efficient job order creation with improved control over consumption and costing. Now let's create a job order. You can choose whether the process is handled by an internal worker or an external party. Let's proceed by selecting an internal worker. Select the worker name and then enter the item to be produced along with its respective quantity, and save the job order document. Now, let's proceed to create a job order using a multi-level bill of materials. Go to Create Job Orders from the Sale Order Job Order BOM Definition module. Open the configuration screen. From here, you can select the source for job order creation. Let's select the job order from the list. You can also determine how parties are auto-selected while creating job orders. Let's set it to Supplier Plus Items. In the Other Settings section, you can define how job orders are created and processed during multi-level BOM execution. Tick the required options. Since this job order is being created from an existing job order, the system will not create a new master job order again for the same finished item. Let's also have a quick glimpse of how to do Supplier Plus Item linking. Select the supplier and the relevant item you wish to link. The supplier has been successfully linked to the items. Let's learn how to create a job order using a multi-level bill of materials. Click on Select Job Order and choose the relevant job order from the list. The Job Orders Against Finished Items section displays the main job order created for the finished product. Selecting this item allows you to view and manage the complete production details of the finished good. Select the party or worker against whom you wish to create the multi-level job order. The Job Orders Against Raw Material Items section lists the sub-job orders automatically generated for raw material and semi-finished items based on the multi-level BOM structure. Selecting these items here allows you to view and manage their complete production details in the section below. Here, you may notice that as we have configured AutoPick Job Order Party as Supplier Plus Item, and we linked the supplier to the items, the system automatically selects and populates the relevant party name upon selecting the item. The bottom section displays the complete details of the selected raw material items, allowing you to review and manage all relevant information accurately. Finally, save the document to complete the process. The job order is now successfully created using the multi-level bill of materials. Let's take a quick look at the pending job order report. You can use the available filters to view the report accordingly. Let's use the job order number filter. Here the master job order filter is available, which allows you to display only those job orders linked to a specific master job order. As we applied the master job order filter, the report now displays the selected master job order along with all its associated sub-job orders. Similarly, You can use the Master Job Order filter in any production report to view consolidated and organized data related to a specific master job order and its corresponding sub-job orders.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.